Entertainment News.
Bagamat hindi nasungkit ang corona para sa Miss Echo International 2024, itinakalaman ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Chantal Smith bilang first runner-up sa kanyang speech at question and answer segment. Ayon kay Smith, there is no wrong way to be a woman. Ibinahagi ang kanyang sariling karanasan bilang beauty queen at aspiring lawyer. Dagdag pa nito,
I am a woman in a male-dominated industry, but I am also a woman in a female-dominated industry. And I think pageants empower women in the sense that they teach us that there's no wrong way to be a woman. Regardless of where you are, regardless of who you are, you see yourself in one of these women, and that is something to be proud of.
Ang coronation night ng nasabing pageant ay ginanap sa Egypt madaling araw ng Lunes dito sa Pilipinas. Liban sa pagiging first runner-up, wagi rin ang pambato ng Pilipinas ng Best National Costume, kasamang ilang pangkandidata mula Nigeria, Ecuador, Ukraine at Canada. Si Angelina Yusanova ng Ukraine ang kinurunahan bilang Miss Echo International 2024, habang second runner-up naman si Miss Canada, third runner-up si Miss Brazil, at fourth runner-up si Miss Indonesia. Yan ang ating entertainment news. Alex Foraket, Tatak Arnament.